What's up guys, it's Tech Prime here, and today I'm going to teach you how you can host your own TOR service on your computer. Now in today's video I'm going to be using Arch Linux, but the steps should work the same on Windows, Mac OS, and all other Linux distributions. Now I'm not going to really dive deep, and this will be a pretty simple configuration, so if you want to do something a bit more complex, this is not the video for you. But we will set up a simple TOR website with a working address. Now before this video starts, make sure you have Python installed on your computer, as well as having access to a terminal. Now if this is not your computer, make sure you have sudo permissions, or otherwise this video won't work. Now let's get on with the video then, shall we? So first we're going to have to make a directory where we're going to store all our stuff. So first we're going to make dir, and we're going to name it King Terry. There we go. So now we're going to cd into that directory. Alright, so our first step is going to have to start the server. So to start our server, we're going to be typing python 3-m http.server and then --bind, and we're going to set the IP address to 127.0.0.1 in the port 8080. Then we're going to hit enter. So now it's going to be starting a Python 3 server. So now we can just create some basic stuff in the directory. So touch index.html. So now I've created index.html. We're going to go ahead and edit that real quick. Put my password in. Alright, so now let's just do some basic coding. So there we go. We're going to save that real quick. Okay, so now let's go ahead and try to connect to it, see what happens. So now we're going to type http://localhost 8080. And it says Tech Prime Linux. So we got our website working. Now we're going to have to set up Tor with it. So now for this, we're going to cd into etc tor. And now we're going to have to edit this torrc file. Sudo nano torrc. And now we're going to scroll down to right there. So then we're going to go to this line right here, hidden service dir, unhide that, as well as the line underneath it. And we're going to have to edit this last part to the port we made, so 8080, just like that. Go ahead and save it, and then exit. Okay, so now we're going to have to cd back to this directory right here. We're going to go ahead and back to King Terry. So now here we can run sudo tor. So now that should be running. So now Tor should be running. So now we're going to have to go to a hidden directory. So for this, we're going to type sudo su, enter our password, and now we're logged in as root. So now we're going to have to cd into var lib tor ls, and then go to hidden _ service. So here we're going to have to look at this file's contents. So go to cat hostname, and this is our hidden onion link. So go ahead and copy that and open your Tor browser. Now it's going to go ahead and connect. Alright, so now we can paste this exact link and wait for it to load. And look at that, our Tor link is working. So now we can go ahead and test this with my laptop. Alright, so going over to my laptop, here I have the Tor browser, and I'm going to go ahead and copy the link name. So this one will take some time. So now we're going to give it a second to load. And it says Tech Prime Linux right there. Now I'm doing this off my laptop with a VPN on a completely different IP address. Very nice! And there you go. That's how you set up a basic Tor service. Now, of course, Tor isn't exactly going to anonymize you, and you're still prone to DDoS attacks, as well as having your IP leaked. Now, a general tip I like to do is use a VPN, but otherwise you're pretty much good to go. Tech Prime out.